Hey there guys, welcome to K-SAD's single box break number 635 of 1314 National Treasures. The last thing to end in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 28th at 8:47 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to go to the current day and time, click reload. It's currently Monday, September 29th at 12:29 a.m. Eastern Time. We are live on Breakers TV here, as per normal. And this is box 4 of 4 from our case, and our serial number tonight is NE2066952008. Yeah, no trouble talking. So NE2066952008. So we will be starting a new case of NT and UD Ultimate tomorrow, so definitely check out for those. And we'll probably add some Dominion or Prime doubles into the mix later this week here. And so I'll turn you guys back around. Show the serial numbers one more time, and we will get started. So good luck, everyone. Five, 2, 0, 8. So let's go over the pack. It's sealed. Good luck, everyone. We do have a book in the middle here. We got to bring our printing plates to the front here. So good luck, everyone. So we have a printing plate from Playbook. Looks like for the Blue Jackets, a Boone Jenner printed plate. Mr. Boone for the Blue Jackets. We have a Contenders rookie of Nick Petretti for the Sharks. Nick Petretti for the Sharks. And we have ourselves a base for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner, 199 Hurricane. And we have a dual mem jersey auto, Darcy Kemper for the Wild. Century Materials for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan, 32 of 99. Next hit is a duels of Ryan Spooner, Jerome McGinley, out of 100 for the Boston Bruins. 56 of 100. And we have a past and present auto for the New York Islanders of Mike Bossy and John Tavares, 20 of 99. Big fan of the design of this set this year. Nice one there. And our next hit is a booklet of Patrice Bergeron out of 10. 8 of 10. Hopefully it has a little bit of auto or something on it too. No, just a nice looking patch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 break patch. Or 8 breaks if you count the bottom piece there. So nice hit there for Boston. Patrice Bergeron. And our next hit is a auto rookie patch gold, Danny DeKeyser for the Red Wings. Danny DeKeyser. Nice. We have a Frozen Treasures of the Moose, Mark Messier, the New York Rangers. 4 of 15. It is a short print version, Mark Messier. And we finished the break off with a Knights in the City of Bob Gainey and Brendan Gallagher for the Habs out of 99. So there we have it, guys. No case without multi-team randoms. So there we have it, guys. So we got a new case NT starting tomorrow, and a new case of UD Ultimate starting tomorrow. Then we'll probably switch it up, add a little bit of double Dominion or something into the mix. So check out for those guys. Appreciate it as always.